So, we've got 5 big updates for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and honestly, they all sound pretty awesome. And believe it or not, we've actually got Apple to thank for this. Because without Apple's push, Samsung might have kept ignoring some of the biggest complaints fans had. Let's jump right in. With the upgrade we've been waiting way too long for. Ever since the first Ultra, fans have had 3 major complaints: battery life, wired charging, and wireless charging. Well, this year, Samsung's finally doing something about it. The S26 Ultra's finally going all in on Qi 2 wireless. Not just Qi 2 ready like before. And here's the interesting part. There's a bigger charging coil and faster speeds too. We're talking 25 watts, up from just 15. That's roughly a 40% faster charge. What used to take around 100 minutes now finishes in about 60. That's a pretty big jump. And the best part, the regular and Plus models are getting up to 20 watts wireless. So yeah, it's not just the Ultra getting the love this time. This puts Samsung right next to the iPhone 17 Pro Max and Pixel 10 Pro XL. And it doesn't stop there. Wired charging's getting a boost too. It's going from 45 watts to 60 watts. The battery size stays the same at 5,000 milliamp hours, but after 6 years of no progress. This is a big deal. Finally, some real progress. On paper, the camera setup looks the same, but that's where things get interesting. Every lens gets a low-key but real upgrade this time. Starting with the front camera, it's still 12 megapixel, but the punch hole's slightly bigger. That's because Samsung's tweaked the focal length, giving you a wider field of view, kinda like using the main camera for selfies. Flip it around, and things get even better. The 200 megapixel main and 5x telephoto both get wider apertures, meaning better low-light shots and faster focus. And here's a clever one. Samsung's adding a new 24 megapixel mode, right between the standard 12 megapixel and the heavy 50 or 200 megapixel options. It's something Apple already does, and it makes total sense. Cleaner photos, smaller files, and less processing time. Samsung's also introducing Adaptive Pixel and a focus speed slider. Adaptive Pixel basically fuses a bunch of low-res shots into one clean, detailed image, especially in low light. The focus slider lets you control how fast the focus moves, perfect for cinematic shots or fast-moving subjects. And get this, Samsung's finally letting you turn off HDR10+ when you want. Sometimes you just want smaller files, or you're sharing with an older device. It's one of those small, quality-of-life tweaks that just makes sense. To access these features, you'll need the Camera Assistant app from the Galaxy Store. It's free, official, and worth having. Oh, and here's one for the video lovers. Samsung's adding a new APV codec, their answer to Apple's ProRes. It lets you shoot lossless RAW video, so you can color grade later without losing quality. Pretty much pro-level control, right in your pocket. So yeah, even without a full redesign, the S26 Ultra is packing some serious camera upgrades that actually matter in real life. And there's one more thing Samsung's cooking up, something that could completely change how we see the S26 Ultra. Click right here to check that out. This is Techtics, and I'll see you there.